Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 11. In the following figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Give reasons. Here you see this is angle 1, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, right? Here you can see there is no common vertex, right? And since there is no common vertex, this angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent, right? Therefore the answer is angle 1 is not adjacent, not adjacent. Angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2. Give reasons. Right, what is the reason? Reason is that there is no common vertex. There is no common vertex. There is no common vertex. This is the reason. Here you see that angle 1 is not adjacent to angle 2 because there is no common vertex. Because you can write here because there is no because you can write here because there is no common vertex, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.